Hey y'all, so I had a taste for Cheesecake Factory. I don't know why I have such a taste for these hamburger sliders. I saw someone eating them and I have been totally addicted. Not addicted, but this has been on my mind like literally all day. So I'm gonna go to Cheesecake Factory and I'm gonna order me some sliders and french fries. And you and I are gonna talk about ghetto-ness and how people don't like ghetto people. Okay? All right. Okay guys, I'm here in Cheesecake Factory. And I don't see no one in here with the bonnet on. No one. Because as you know, when you come out to dinner, you need to look presentable. And anybody in their right mind and who have any class about themselves, self-love, self-respect, knows not to come in a restaurant with the bonnet on, right? We have to get away of celebrating loser behavior, okay? We gotta get away of celebrating low-class behavior. And for some reason, some of you black people, you love to celebrate low-class behavior. And because of that, we're at the bottom of the floor. Yeah, absolutely. So again, it's 2026. It's time to bring shame back, okay? It's time to do that, all right? We can't be doing this anymore. Walking around celebrating loser behavior, okay? It's not getting you anywhere, okay? It's literally tanking the community, all right? So, hi, how are you? Yes.
About 20 minutes, okay?
20 minutes? Okay, no problem.
You guys want inside, outside?
I'm inside, definitely. It's too hot to be out there.
What's the phone number?
See, guys, no one have on bonnets. You see that? No one have on bonnets. Everybody is nicely dressed, looking very presentable, okay? Again, if no one have ever taught you that, all right, I'm teaching you today, all right? You do not come out in public with bonnets and pajama pants, all right? We not doing that no more. So I repeat, we are not doing that anymore. Absolutely not, all right? We're not doing that, okay? I don't know where you girlies get this idea from that it is okay to come out here like that in public. I don't know where you girlies get that from. And it's just amazing to me how many of you all actually celebrate that. It is amazing. When I tell you single mother is real, when I tell you fatherless behavior is real, when I tell you just been birthed and not raised is real, that is real. Whenever you're around celebrating that type of stuff, there is definitely something wrong with your upbringing. Absolutely. Something is definitely wrong, okay? Because that is nothing to celebrate at all. You see this couple, you see how he's showing her love? Yeah. People don't show women love who wear bonnets in public, all right? I need you to understand that. That's embarrassing to a man, okay? So you see that? You see how she's nicely, casually dressed? That's all you need to do, all right? That's it, all right? And if you can't do that, just stay home, okay? How about that? Alright, so I'm going with the double smash burgers. That's something new that they put on the menu here at Cheesecake Factory. So I'm going to go with that. It's like the sliders, but it's the double smash hamburger. Now the double is kind of throwing me off because that may be a little bit too much meat, but I don't know because this is my first time trying that here. But let's see. And of course my strawberry lemonade, and then you know the hamburgers come with french fries. So I'm good. I'm good. That's it. I don't want anything anything else. I'm good. But nevertheless, ladies, we have to learn how to present ourselves. That's super, super important. Because when you don't know how to present yourself, I promise you, nobody don't ever want to take you anywhere. Not a man, nobody, okay? Because like I said before, a lot of you wear ghetto-ness as though it's a badge of honor, and it's not, all right? It is not something that you want to be recognized as, okay? Because when people see you as that ghetto person, they're going to treat you as such, okay? And normally when people stereotype you like that, they don't treat you the best, okay? That's for men, that's strangers, that's people in general, all right? So again, we got to stop clapping for the ghetto-ness, all right? You know, I'm on this campaign, no more ghetto-ness, no more bonnets. You know, I'm on that level, I'm on that page right now, right? Because again, our community has literally went to the trash because of all the ghetto-ness, all right? And it's not good, okay? No, I remember once upon a time we were some classy people, okay? People respected us, all right? People had dignity and they were very cautious about the way that they present themselves. You girlies today don't care. You think it's cute. You think it's, this is mean. No, but it shouldn't be you, all right? Your mama should tell you that, all right? Okay. If I get some, yeah, just for my silver. Okay, and more ketchup.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, my hamburgers came, but I thought it was like 3. It's only 2. Look. And then, of course, my fries. But it'll work, because I only really need 2.
I wouldn't know that without.
Ooh, yummy. Oh, you gotta say my grade. Amen. That look good, like.
4 cheese with chicken.
So again, imagine you out here in these people's restaurant, eating this food on with a bonnet. Do you know how that look? That is the ultimate of ghetto-ness. Thank you. Perfect.
Extra ketchup. I'll be right back with some cheese for you, okay?
Okay, thank you. That is like the ultimate of ghetto-ness. And if you don't think people are talking about you, you live in under a rock or whatever. And it ain't got nothing to do with people, but it has everything to do with your self-respect, okay? So just forget the people. What about your self-respect? You understand? Even if you don't love yourself, act like you do, all right? Yeah.
Let me know when, okay?
I'm gonna enjoy my dinner.
Thank you. Perfect.
Enjoy, ladies.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. But like I said before, and like I will continue to say, we're not clapping for any more of the loser behavior, okay, within our community. Enough already. Enough. All right? We're tired of it. We're tired of the ghetto-ness, and we're tired of the loser mindset, okay? And we're tired of the bonnets being worn in all the wrong places, all right? So again, I'm not going to let up, all right? So if you think I am, I don't care anything about your criticism. I don't care anything about what you have to say. I don't care anything about your jabs. You know what I'm saying? You girls love to jab, and I don't know why every jab is the wig. Oh my God, that is so played out. Find something else to talk about. Talk about that degree that I have. Talk about my amazing husband. Talk about my beautiful children. Talk about how my daughter graduated from college and my son is about to graduate from college. Talk about that type of stuff. A wig? Come on now. Who cares, guys? Nevertheless, no more bonnets, no more ghetto-ness. All right? Bye, girlies. I'm enjoying my meal. All right.